Good morning, class. Yesterday I have completed exercise and start the keywords. I hope you will be understand very clearly the exercise. Now I am explaining the some keywords. Some keywords I have explained yesterday. The remaining keywords are explaining today. Now come to insectivorous. Insectivorous plants are the ones that derives most of their nutrition from the insects. They trap and consuming the insect. Example is pitcher plant. Okay, clear? Next is nutrient. You have already studied about the nutrients. A nutrient is a substance used by an organism to survive, grow, and reproduce. Essential nutrients for animals are the energy source. Clear? I am explaining again. A nutrient is a substance used by an organism to survive, grow, and reproduce. Essential nutrients for animals are the energy source. Clear? Next is nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism, and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Again, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Clear? Next is parasite. Parasites are plants or animals that live on or in a host, getting their nutrients from that host. Clear? Now come to next is photosynthesis. The process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involve the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. It is clear? Next, I am explaining again. Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. All of you know about the process of photosynthesis. I have written in the question number 4 the process of photosynthesis. In this process, green plants are prepare their own food, and this process is done in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So the process by which green plants and some other organism use sunlight, ये लोग ग्रीन प्लांट्स और अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म सनलाइट यूज करते हैं टू सिंथेसाइज न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, बनाने के लिए सनलाइट यूज करते हैं फ्रॉम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. फोटोसिंथेसिस इन प्लांट्स जनरली इन्वॉल्व द ग्रीन पिगमेंट. और फोटोसिंथेसिस में ग्रीन पिगमेंट मीन्स क्लोरोफिल, ये भी इन्वॉल्व रहता है, एंड जनरेट्स ऑक्सीजन एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. और ऑक्सीजन इसमें एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट रिलीज होती है. ओके, क्लियर? फोटोसिंथेसिस. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट, saprotrophs. An organism that feeds on or derive nourishment from dead and decaying matter are called saprotrophs. All of you know about saprotrophs. I have explained in the notes. An organism that feeds, वो organism जो अपना food, अपना nourishment dead और decaying matter से लेता है, these are called saprotrophs. Okay, an organism that feed on or derive nourishment from dead and decaying matter are called saprotroph. Clear? Now come to next, saprotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form the mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprotropic nutrition. मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन वो मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें ऑर्गेनिज्म सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म में डेड एंड डिकेइंग मैटर से अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड सेप्रोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट, स्टोमेटा. The tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. The main function of stomata is exchange of gases. Okay, clear? The stomata, I repeat it again. The tiny pores, छोटे छोटे pores, स्मॉल पोर्स होते हैं प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द लीफ, जो लीफ के सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. दीज पोर्स आर सराउंडेड बाय गार्ड सेल्स. दीज पोर्स सराउंडेड बाय गार्ड सेल्स, सच पोर्स आर कॉल्ड स्टोमेटा. And the main function is to exchange the gases. Okay, it takes carbon dioxide in from the atmosphere and releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Okay, thank you.